Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at a little product device for safety and security in your home or other places, maybe travel. This is a door stopper alarm. This has a 120 decibel alarm, and you would put this behind the door, so if someone tries to open it up in the room that you don't want in there, it should activate the alarm through a little spring loaded or trigger there, whatever you want to call that. It's activated by a 9-volt battery. Here's the compartment for the battery. It goes right in there. The bottom of it is a non-slip rubber. So you can use this on hardwood floors, linoleum. I guess this is about 6 inches, close to 6 inches. That's very lightweight. I measured it at 3.5 ounces, so it would be easy to carry, put in a purse, bag, whatever. We have sensitivity adjustment here with high, medium, and low, and I'm guessing that is just, if you had it on high, it would probably mean that as soon as the door practically touches it almost, it will activate it. Then you've got medium and low, which would probably mean, pretty self-explanatory, I guess. Got the on-off button in the back here. So, would be good for, home security. I would think traveling like motels, hotels. You could probably use this in a dorm. Would be pretty good, and maybe an RV, whatever your situation, you might want to try it out. So what we're going to do today is get the 9-volt battery out, put it in. Instead of sitting here and letting you listen to it, I think we're going to put this in kind of a real life situation under a door, and we'll listen to it there, and see what it's about. So let's go grab that battery and we'll get started. All right, got the back cover off. We've got the battery, and we've got the positive, which is right here, and we've got the negative. The negative is the wider contact. Just put those in. I think we got to do it this way. Okay, we're good. Now I turned it off, putting that in. Just put our panel back on. And we should be good. Now this is 120 decibels. That's one reason I wanted to make sure it was off when I was putting the battery in. That's very loud. That's about like an ambulance or a jet starting up or taking off. It's about like a gunshot or a concert. And it's not something you want to listen to very long at all. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn it on here. Like I said, I don't want to test it right here. We're going to go ahead and put this under a door, and then I will put let's start it out with a medium sensitivity. And once I got it under the door, then I will put it on, and we'll see how well it activates when I open the door. So there it is. The door alarm works pretty well. at least with the situations that I tried. Before closing out, let's try it on some different sensitivity here. So right now we have it on low, and let's just touch it and see what happens. Okay, so you can see a little bit of movement before it actually goes off. Medium. About the same, really. Okay, and let's try it on high, see if that's any different at all. Got it on high. I didn't even do anything for high, and it comes on. So we're on high. So, from what I can tell, it doesn't really matter too much. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.